Update time. Here we are. This is the front valance. We got some fiberglass going on with some customization. Those are gonna look nice.
Grab that.
That's the rear. Oh, pop. Okay, and we're back. There's the rear valance or bumper cover. Got it going on. Got all the side effects or side skirts. The door actually opens and closes now. Whoa, watch out. Let's see if I can. Boom. There it is. And she bit me. That's what happens when you're not paying attention. But there's what happens. There's a little rat. No, it's Zoe. Rear valance. Our bumper cover. Damn it. Ever. There's the other side skirt. It's going down. And there's the update of the, I don't know exactly what you would call that, but looks better than it did. We had to do some custom work from saying over a year. Must have got smaller or something. I don't know. But that's what's going on. Still got the cold sore to work on. She's coming along though. So, any questions? Post them up. Over and out.